Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we are going to see about the process online agricultural based home shopping and guidance system in ASP.NET. Then comes the abstract of our process. The main idea is to help the farmers regarding agriculture in order to give awareness by conducting camps, and here there are three main roles: admin, professors, village representatives and students. So admin is the authorized person to create accounts for the professors, village representatives and students. So the articles are written by the professors in the agriculture colleges or universities. They are shared here, and the students can enroll as volunteers who help to conduct camps. The articles, new technologies, and the precautions for farming will be posted by the admin. One village representative for each individual village will be responsible for giving guidance to the farmers. Village representative can post queries which will be answered by the professors later. In additionally, user can buy pesticides through our system and will get information about the current weather report. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. A flow diagram shows our process diagrammatically. So these are the four authorized persons in our process: admin, users, village representative and professor. So here professor will upload articles. So these uploaded articles will be viewed by village representative, and also admin will also add up articles and that can be viewed by the representative. And then if the village representative can post any of the queries, so that queries can be answered by the professors, and user should enroll into the process and they can register for any of the events. And also admin will add the event details, so that event details will be viewed by the users, and for the goods details will be added by admin, and these can be used for the users which can buy you through e-shopping. And then finally the helpline, so it shows about and the contact page of the agriculture process, and the user can post their feedback in our process, and they can also check the weather status using our system. Then comes the running procedure of our process. So this is the home page. So first let us log in as admin. So we have to give username. So this is the admin page. Here can add events. So add event title. So now we are entered all the details. So just we have to click event publish. So this event will be added successfully. So next query report. So query report is nothing but the queries from the other village representatives. So these are the registered village representatives. So these are the event registrations. So these are here we have to add the products for the to buy the products on online. So we have to pesticide product ID. So here we have to cost of product, and we have to give description about the particular pesticide. So here we can add the image of product. For example, I am adding this. So here we can add the product. So the product was added successfully. So these are the event requests. So from the professors. So here admin have to accept or decline any. So the event was accepted successfully. So these are the process comes under admin. So log out. Next village representative. So new account. So here we have to register and log in. So here I had added the details. Click register. So registration successful. So now we have to log in. So we had to log in as a village representative. So here you can post any of our queries. So the query was put successfully. So we can click view answer. So it is still not answered. So these are the article details posted by other professors. So this is the article. We can download that article. So here are the agriculture videos. So here it shows the event details. So these are all the process comes under village representative. So next we are going to see about the professor. So the details are entered. So here we have to register. So registration successful. We have to log in. So here this is for uploading any articles. So the articles was uploaded successfully. So here we have to select any video file. So the video file was uploaded successfully. So this is the college suggestion area. So here we can answer. So the answer was posted. So these are the process comes under the professor. So the next weather check. So here we can check the weather details. Detail. So this is the information about the soils. So district and the soil type. So these are the details. Here for the user. So here you have to give the username and password. Here the details are entered successfully. So user registration success. Now we have to log in. So we can view the events and select the particular event. The event details will be automatically viewed here. So we can register for the particular event. So event registration was successful. So this is the shopping area. So here we can buy the products. So I'm adding to cart. So added into cart. So user detail and the product details, cash on delivery, or remove or cart check card. So cash on delivery, so the product will be delivered soon. So here we can post any of the feedback. So the feedback was posted successfully. So that's all about our process. Thank you.